Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best rose gold adjustable bangle bracelet you can buy online. The COOLSTEELANDBEYOND stainless steel adjustable cuff bracelet. Sleek, minimalist, and built to last, this bracelet combines premium materials with a polished finish that makes it stand out in any setting. Let's start with the basics. This bracelet measures 19 centimeters in circumference, which is about 7.48 inches, making it a comfortable fit for most wrists. It has a width of 1.2 centimeters, giving it just the right balance between subtlety and presence. And with a weight of 27.6 grams, it feels substantial but never heavy. That means it's noticeable on your wrist, without being intrusive, exactly what you want in an everyday accessory. What makes this bracelet special is the material. High-grade stainless steel. Stainless steel is known for its durability, rust resistance, and hypoallergenic qualities, and this bracelet delivers on all fronts. It's polished to a smooth shine and finished in an elegant rose gold tone that radiates warmth and sophistication. Whether you're dressing up for a formal dinner or just adding a touch of class to a casual outfit, this bracelet transitions effortlessly. One of the most attractive features of this piece is its adjustability. Unlike traditional bangles or cuffs that are either too tight or too loose, this bracelet offers a degree of flexibility that makes it easy to slip on and off while still ensuring a secure fit. And since it's an open cuff design with no clasp, you don't have to worry about finicky fastenings or breakable components. Now let's talk about the design. It's minimalist, no embellishments, no gemstones, no unnecessary patterns. Just a clean, modern aesthetic that lets the material and the craftsmanship speak for themselves. This simplicity makes it incredibly versatile. You can wear it solo for a refined look or stack it with other wristwear to create your own personalized style. The bracelet comes packaged in a branded jewelry box, making it a fantastic gift option. Whether it's for a birthday, an anniversary, or just a thoughtful surprise for someone special, the packaging adds a premium touch that elevates the entire unboxing experience. Another point worth noting is that this bracelet is completely unisex. Though it leans toward a minimalist design, it doesn't sacrifice character. It suits both men and women equally well, adapting to any style preference, from edgy streetwear to professional business attire. If you're wondering about maintenance, that's another win here. Thanks to the stainless steel build, you won't have to worry about tarnishing or fading. Just wipe it with a clean, dry cloth and it'll retain its luster for years. No need for special jewelry cleaners or expensive upkeep. In terms of value, this bracelet punches way above its price point. You're getting premium quality stainless steel, a polished rose gold finish, adjustable fit, and gift-ready packaging, all in one package. Whether you're buying it for yourself or someone else, it's an affordable way to make a classy statement. So to wrap things up, if you're in the market for a stylish, durable, and affordable cuff bracelet with a rose gold finish, the adjustable stainless steel bangle is a top-tier choice. It's minimalist, it's versatile, it's gender neutral, and it looks way more expensive than it actually is. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and hands-on product breakdowns. See you in the next video.